Lean product development. In the last lecture, we learned about the 7 major phases in the product development process: ideation, plan, develop, iterate, launch, steady state, maintain, or kill. In this lecture, we'll be learning about lean product development and how we can use lean product development in your role as a product manager. Lean is a product development methodology that involves removing all of the unnecessary work and effort until you're absolutely sure you need to do it for your users or customers. Let's say you have an amazing idea for a social media app where you can sing into your phone and it could tell you whether you have the X factor or not. What would we need to bring this product to life? You would usually incorporate a company, build a website, hire engineers and designers, and maybe tell your mom. If you were using lean methodology, you would build a basic website yourself, tell your mom, and pay for some ads to see if people actually want to use your product before blowing your life savings on this idea. So, to recap, in this lecture we've learned what lean product development is and how it differs from full-blown product development. In the next lecture, we'll be learning about Agile, one of the core concepts of modern product management.